Imagine your voice mattered. Imagine your Scots accent and language was gied the same dignity and respect as other languages. Imagine we gied it that same respect and dignity ourselves. What I want to do in these videos is give you the information so you can understand the way you talk. It's something we're no learnt. We've learnt how to talk standard English with a Scottish accent mostly. But this information, there's millions of us that talk this way, and we need to understand this. So that's what I'm going to do with these videos. I'm talking to folk that have a Scots accent and speak Scots language as their first language, or who talk it within Scotland. And everybody else is welcome to log in, watch these videos, but mind that you've got to listen to who the first language speakers speak the language and understand that they've got a living knowledge of what's going on with their own language. But I'm wanting to explain it so you can develop that knowledge the way you would develop your English. So this is no to tell folk that you're talking wrong or right. What it is to give you the power to work with your language. If you want to speak in public, or maybe you're an actor, or a singer, a songster, MC, you want to write, you want to scrive in Scots, you want to develop it the same way you would on the other language that you were wanting to develop. Become a better English user, understand what's Scots and what isn't, and what's English and what isn't. Follow along with these videos, and we're going to go through it methodically and get the information out there, get it into your hands. So if you work with your language, you've got greater knowledge and greater power over the way you talk. Follow along and share this to as many folk as you can. Cheers and out.